My favourite thing to do is bird spotting. I put little balls of fat with seeds in the garden, in the trees, and the birds come along and feed off them. It's quite an interesting hobby. Get to see all sorts of birds. The other day, a kestrel came down and nearly got a sparrow. I managed to catch it on film. It was quite interesting. Anything interesting about nature, you know, you could put on paper, people. But remember, you have to be a paper person to do it.
Meow, 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 meow. Meow. Oh, hello. I'd like to do a couple of impersonations, if I may. This one is of a dog. Woof, woof, woof. And this one is of a horse. And this one is of a sheep. Bear.